One of the things that clutter the home most is toys. And although they're the building blocks for our children's development, too many toys is just too many toys. Oh my gosh, are you okay? Thought I lost you. Today is project day, but first we dance. And second, we eat a nutritious breakfast. One of the things that I love to do is just to grab a box like this kind of size. And I like to fill it with just about 5 different types of toys. Something with wheels, something wooden, something musical. Oh no, why is it in Spanish? Kind of one of each sort of whatever my son gravitates towards. So something I stopped doing is buying toys. They would prefer household items than their toys any day. Watch this. Do you want this or this?
Yeah.
This?
What's that?
This or this? I really don't think our kids want so many toys, even though these are some really cool options, because out of everything that I have laid out, my son chose to play with some fish oil supplements and a strainer. And not only is it extremely overwhelming, but it's just so hard for you to clean, especially as a parent. I feel like I've just been picking up toys all day long. And once I rotate everything out, it feels like he has brand new toys. I have less to clean. And one thing also, teach your child how to clean. They love to clean, they love to help. So my son knows the words clean up and he goes right to work. You wanna help mommy clean up?
No.
I also only keep toys in 2 spaces. One is in the living room where we all hang out.
Come.
1 second. And the other one is in his bedroom where we keep slightly more toys. And what I've done is organize different types of assortment toys into bins. So I got these plastic little jars at Target for about $3 each. And we have some blocks, we have some little letters, we have some wooden toys. And so that stays organized. We also have baskets because this is literally the best ever. See you later, buddy.
Bye-bye.
See ya. This is literally the best. I basically just put all of his miscellaneous toys in here. Anything extra, I just keep in a closet where it's out of sight, out of mind until it's time to rotate. When I notice that my son gravitates towards certain toys, which right now it's all just wheels and cars and trucks, that is what I typically keep out for him to play with. I'll still add some fun learning toys like putting shapes together or stacking blocks or learning colors or numbers, just depending on what I feel he is capable of learning. So this is so much easier to clean up than having a wide variety of toys on the floor. I just have one basket with just a few pieces that are easy to put away, and anything that's left out is pretty minimal. Small pieces like this, I do not keep in the living room. I typically keep these in the bedroom because they're really annoying to clean up, but they're really fun to play with. Now that we have everything finished and put away, it is so much more cleaner, and that is why we stopped buying toys. We just play with what we have and we rotate the other things every couple weeks or so, and never estimate that your toddler, proof, can clean their toys. So when you just keep saying clean up your toys or put it away in the basket, they eventually get the hint that when we are done playing with toys, it is time to clean up. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Be sure to give me a thumbs up and your toddlers will be happier for it. I promise. He's happy, I promise. Wow, that is so sweet. I'm gonna go enjoy some snuggles now. And don't forget to join the fam. We are cool, I promise.